Hey everybody, welcome back to another Beals Memorial Library Stuck at Home Storytime. I'm Manuel, and this week we're going to be reading a book called I Like Trains by Daisy Hirst. Are you ready to read? Okay, then let's go. I like playing with my train. I like putting all the animals on board so they can go off on a journey. Sometimes I drive a train of my own. Chugga, 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 chugga. All aboard! And I like reading books about trains. Long trains, short trains, trains with faces, fast trains, slow trains, trains in races. But the best thing of all is when we go to the station to catch the train ourselves. We buy 2 tickets and find the right platform. We choose some seats by a window, and then the train sets off. Through the window, I see houses and backyards, trucks and cars, hotels and factories, and boats on a river. I see fields and trees, horses and sheep, darkness and a tunnel, and another train whooshing by. The train slows down and stops, and then at last I see Grandma! I tell Grandma all about the journey and draw her a picture. Then there's just enough time to visit my favorite playground. I love playing trains with Grandma. Well, that was a great story about how much this dog liked trains. I hope you liked it. I know I did. We'll see you later. Bye.